Hello, how's it going, everyone? Today, Amazon just announced 20-for-1 stock split and $10 billion buyback on their stock. And if this is your first time on my channel, please give me a like and subscribe and make sure to turn on your notifications. And we just had Google announce Google split back in February, right? And we also had Tesla announce their split not too long ago last year for Amazon's 1.4 trillion. And the benefit for them to do the split is, is the share price actually lower, right? So after Amazon do the split the share price would be $139, and each existing holders would get 19 additional shares for every one of they own, okay? So what's that mean? That means the share price is lower, so it's gonna benefit the trader or investors that gonna cost average down on their share price, because so after the split you're gonna pay $140 a share instead of 2,700 something a share, right? So it's easier for small investors to average down on their position, right? So also at the same time, it's better for option traders also, so that way that they can get more contracts, and it's a lot more easier for option traders to trade options on Amazon now. But what about the fundamental? The fundamental doesn't change. The stock split doesn't affect the fundamental. The fundamental is still going to be the same. It's not going to affect their revenue. It's not going to affect their expense. It's not going to affect their bottom line. Their fundamental is still the same. It's still the same Amazon before or after the split. As investors, do not have to worry about the fundamentals. All you got to think about is going to attract more new investors to jump into Amazon shares, because a lot cheaper now, and a lot of small guys that come in and get some shares of Amazon. So what's that mean to the Amazon stock? That means that there's going to be more demands are buying, so that means that there's going to be more demanding. So that means that it's more demand on the share of Amazon, right? And also they did a $10 billion buyback on their stocks. That $10 billion might seem a lot, but compared to Amazon's market cap right now is $1.4 trillion. Only going to be maybe 1% of Amazon's the whole total market cap. So that means to the existing holders, so you're only going to benefit by 1%, right? But right now, after this news announced, so the share price up 7%. Amazon's share price almost back to $3,000 now, up 7%. Think about this, right? $1.7 trillion, 7%. That billions dollars gain just in this 7%, right? So is this news justified for the 7% gain? And should you buy it tomorrow, or should you just wait until the pullback? And this is all depend on how the overall market gonna be like tomorrow, right? Today you see all the small cap and all the tech companies saw recover after this big huge sell off, right? And you see oil from $120 something, it dipped 12%. A lot of people that buy the rumors sell the news on oil now, and they move that money back into small caps and tech stocks on their low end, right? Because right now tech stocks and small caps are super low. Majority of them are down 50% to 70% to 80% from its all-time high, right? But Amazon still sitting at a very strong support level right here that is still holding at $2,700 something. As you can see, all those e-commerce like Alibaba, Wish, as you can see, all the other e-commerce pulling back from its all-time high like crazy, right? And as you can see, Alibaba is back in $100, and Wish is back to $2, and JMIA is at $7, and all those e-commerce are doing badly, since people going back to normal, right? But Amazon are the only one that can stand still very strong. As myself, a loyalty Amazon customers, it doesn't matter before COVID or after COVID, I'm still using Amazon as I always do, because Amazon has everything that I need on the daily basis, and they ship everything to my house real quick. Especially if you guys use Amazon Prime before, and this is the best service you ever can have. And they deliver the goods to your house as quick as possible. It's faster than you going to the store and to pick up your stuff, right? And this is very convenient. And customers in these days are buying for convenience plus the services, not just the product itself. You need to have the good service and the good product at the same time to make the company to be successful. So since I've been an Amazon customer for a while, so my suggestion to the people that who are looking at this stock, should you buy before the split or should you buy after the split? Look, without looking at the fundamental, if you believe in the company's missions and they actually bring a lot of value to people and they bring good products to people, right? If you already investors, always a good time to dollar averaging viewing your position in Amazon, because Amazon is only gonna get bigger. Its market share just keep dominating. The company keep using its cash flow to reinvesting to in different areas. They just keep growing. Let's look at the chart. Let's look at the Amazon technical analysis. After this stock split news, actually Amazon going back to that $3,000 support level. That $3,000 support level is a strong support level. The market is just turning around to the small cap and the tech company today, right? There's more money going into those sectors, and that's why you see that this news just coming at the right time. And based on the technical analysis, this is absolutely a good news for Amazon that that's going back to that $3,000 support level, and hopefully it can stay above that support level, and we're gonna go back to the uptrend. And definitely after the split, there's gonna be more investors able to buy the stock, and there's more option traders can be able to trade the stock, and there's more demands on the stock, and that definitely gonna push the stock even higher. And as e-commerce and tech companies start recovering and more cash going to those sectors, it's gonna push Amazon back to the uptrend level. This is what we're gonna see in the next few months. And guys, if this video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notifications for my next video. Thank you.